There.
Wait, turn it this way to see. Wow, that's it.
Well, it's been traveling. It's been traveling.
I don't think it's good. Oh, no, no again.
Oh, the rocks fell out. Peter, where are you?
You should fill his little river with water.
Oh, yeah.
It would fall out the little hole.
Oh, what?
There's a hole.
This is great. I just hope he doesn't die.
We hope it's not. Read the note.
Yeah, you have to read the note.
This
Wait,
note or the
Do you
other
have to
note?
trim it? Trim the leaves? That's what they do, right?
Yeah.
They trim the leaves. Oh, Roots, you also have to trim the leaves.
Not all the time.
But every once in a
Just
while.
like, yeah.
It's like a trim, like a hair trim.
I will do like Pastor Dave, just lay my hand on it.
Yes. Pretty.
I'm really bad with plants.
That's why we decided to get it.
Read at the.
It's not like
Well, it's a
pink.
big rock. That's...
Where's Peter at?
Remember when I said Mace, chicken, looked like Ruth? This is Ruth. Me.
The rocks.
Actually,
The rock.
it smells good.
It's been sitting next to
Do you want
the incense too
Nah,
for
it's
2
good.
weeks.
What kind of rock do you?
Funny how tiramisu